YouTube? Today I have for you an iPhone XS Max that has a boot loop, and I'm going to show you a really quick fix, or more like a workaround, to get your phone back going. If you were ever stuck in this particular situation, I can get your phone back going. So really quickly, I'll show you here. The phone has this boot loop where there's Apple on, Apple off, again Apple on, and then after a few seconds the Apple turns right back off. It'll just continually do this. This particular issue is not a software issue that you can fix with a restore. It's actually a hardware issue. I've already unscrewed the phone and stuff, so I'll jump right into it. This particular piece here, this flex cable here that connects your ear speaker and the proximity sensor right here to the motherboard, really quickly after you unplug it, it will stop the boot loop. I'm going to show you again that the phone is still at this point Apple on. A few seconds it turns right back off. So I'm going to go ahead and show you one more time, and then I'll flip it open. And when you do that, once you disconnect this this flex cable here, I got it disconnected there, and really quickly, boom, just like that, the boot loop has stopped, and so the phone will go ahead and boot up. And as soon as it boots, you will see very quickly, the first thing that you will notice is that it says unable to activate Face ID. The phone is booted, but it says this Face ID. I'm going to get to that a little bit later on, but right now, as it sits, you can go ahead and plug this back up. Just plug that back up. You can put the phone back together. You can use it. The only thing you want to do at this point is you want to make sure that you don't let A, the battery die, or B, you don't want to reboot the phone. You can use the phone just fine without Face ID in this status, as long as you don't let the phone die or reboot it. If you do let the battery die or you reboot the phone, it will return to a boot loop status, and you will have to do this process over again. Okay, so the issue in this part here is still actually there. This was just a workaround that will let you use the phone. If you want to get Face ID back working, you're going to want to make an appointment with Apple. Make sure you do a backup and have them to service the phone. However, if you want to fix it yourself, you can purchase this part. I'll put a link down in the description, and with this you will be able to reboot your phone, and if the battery dies, you'll be good to go. Again, Face ID will only work if you take the phone to Apple for repair. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope it helps you get your phone back going. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.